Skoda Kodiaq recall. Airbag defect affects hundreds of SUVs. A nationwide safety recall has been issued by Volkswagen Group Australia for the Skoda Kodiaq large SUV. The recall affects 696 vehicles manufactured between 2024 and 2025 due to a defect that could compromise side airbag deployment in a crash. The problem? Manufacturing flaw according to the official recall notice. A manufacturing issue causes improperly finished edges on the inner frames of the front seats. These rough edges can damage the side airbags during deployment, potentially leaving occupants with insufficient protection in an accident. The risk of injury or death is elevated if the airbags fail to deploy as designed. What owners need to do? Affected Kodiaq owners will be contacted directly by Skoda to schedule a free repair at an authorized dealership. The fix is expected to take between 1 and 3 hours to complete. The vehicle identification number (VIN) list of impacted vehicles is available through official channels, links provided in the original recall. Recall history and AMP. Sales trend. This isn't the first recall for the Kodiaq. Previous issues were reported in 2019 and 2022, affecting the Superb and Kodiaq alongside the Kodiaq. Notably, the Kodiaq has recently become Skoda's best-selling model in Australia, surpassing the smaller Kodiaq SUV in 2025. This makes the recall especially relevant, given the model's increasing popularity. The recall underscores the importance of regular vehicle safety checks and manufacturer responsiveness to defects. While inconvenient, these actions are vital for protecting drivers and passengers.